Now, don't get confused by the question you're currently seeing on the screen right now. I'm here to break down everything into bits and pieces for you. It starts off by saying 25 cm cube of a sodium hydroxide solution, that's the base, was completely neutralized by 20 cm cube of 0.1 mole per dm cube hydrochloric acid, that's the acid. Calculate the molarity of the solution. So what do we do? First things first, this is a titration reaction. Okay? Titration, also known as neutralization reaction, where an acid reacts with a base. And the formula that we usually use in this is this one written on the screen right now. And each of these symbols have what they mean. Ca here stands for the concentration of the acid, Va, the volume of the acid used, Cb stands for the concentration of the base, and Vb stands for the volume of the base used. Na stands for the number of moles of the acid, and Nb stands for the number of moles of the base. Let's plug in our values into this formula. Ca, concentration of the acid, is giving us 0.1 mole per dm cube of hydrochloric acid. So we have 0.10 multiplied by the volume of the acid. You can see over here, we're given 20.0 cm cube. So that becomes divided by Cb. We're asked to calculate the molarity of the sodium hydroxide solution. So Cb is what we're actually looking for. We do not have it, so that remains unknown. Multiplied by Vb, which is the volume of the base. From the question, we can see that 25 cm cube of sodium hydroxide was used. So we have 25.0. Now we have Na, number of moles of the acid used. We get that from the equation. Now you can see from the chemical equation over here, the acid HCl, just 1 mole was present in the equation. So we have 1 divided by the number of moles of the base used. The base, which is sodium hydroxide, also has 1 mole present. So we have 1/1 as well. So we have our mathematical equation fully ready to be explored. So first things first, we have 0.1 multiplied by 20. That gives us 2 divided by CB times 25. This is equal to 1/1. At this point, we can cross multiply. When we do, it becomes 2 is equal to CB times 25. All of these multiplied by 1. And of course, you know that anything multiplied by 1 remains basically the same, so we can leave it just as it is. Now we're looking for CB. So we make it the subject of the formula and we make it stand alone. How do we do that? We divide both sides by the coefficient of CB, which in this case is 25. So this becomes 2 divided by 25. This 25 cancels this one out, leaving CB's to stand alone. So therefore, CB is equal to 2 divided by 25. When we punch our calculators, we have 2 divided by 25. That gives us 0.08 moles per dm cube of NaOH solution. This is the molarity or the concentration of the basic solution used in this titration. I hope you got value for this. If you did, please do well to like, share, and follow for more videos that are coming your way in this space. Thank you.